Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark or how you can download TikTok videos without watermark. So here, what you need to do is just find any TikTok video that you want to download. So if you download directly from TikTok, you can just click on the share button and then tap on save video. You can easily do that, but then when you open the video here, for example, when you download it from TikTok, there will be this watermark shown in the video, and how you can delete that or how you can download without the watermark, you can just follow my steps right here. So you can just go to your Play Store in here or App Store, then search for this app. You can use this keyword TikTok video downloader. So click on that and you'll see there are lots of apps that will allow you to download video with no watermark. So you can just choose which app that you want to use. For example, for me, I personally use this Snapdeck. So you can just choose the one that you want and then install it on your phone, and after that you can tap on open in here. So what you need to do is just paste the link, the TikTok video links that you want to download. So let's go back to TikTok again. Okay, sorry, this is the video. Okay, this one's right here. So this is the video that I previously saved. So you can just click on the share button, tap on copy link, and now you can just go back to the apps, the TikTok video downloader. So you can see that the link will automatically paste on the app. So you can just tap on download, and here this is the preview of the video that I want to save. You can just hit on this button, no watermark video. It will be downloading. You can just wait until it finish. Okay, so the download is success. You can just see the result again. So this is the video, and as you guys can see, there is no watermark on the video. So that's how you can easily download TikTok video with no watermark. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon and leave a comment if you have any question. Also, to support us, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.